In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an About Us page on your Shopify store. An About Us page helps customers learn more about your brand, your story, and what makes your business unique. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Online Store. Next, select Pages from the menu. Once the Pages section opens, click on Add Page. Now enter a title for your page. In this case, type About Us. Below the title, you'll see the Content Editor. This is where you can write your brand story, explain what your business does, and tell customers what makes your store special. You can also add images and format the text to make the page look more professional and engaging. After writing your content, make sure the visibility is set to visible so customers can access the page on your website. Once everything looks good, click Save at the top right corner. And that's it. You've successfully created an About Us page on your Shopify store. Thanks for watching and happy selling.